Welcome to Skilled Trades Tutors Online. Our videos are for educational purposes only. Our parent company is 2433 199 Alberta Inc., located in Canada, also owns and operates STTO.ca, the better start to the Canadian skilled trades. Gasfitters National Occupation Code 7253 Introductory Video. Gasfitters size, install, test, adjust, maintain, and repair gas lines of appliances, equipment, and accessories in various sectors. Learn to work on boilers, burners, makeup air units, furnaces, process burners, commercial cooking equipment, and various other gas-fired equipment, some of which can be quite complex. Here's an example here, some gas piping and a meter. Gasfitters work in the residential, manufacturing, industrial, commercial, and institutional settings. Deal with gases that include natural gas, propane, and manufactured gas. May be employed by utility companies to repair gas mains and install, repair, and service pipes between mains and buildings. May also be employed in the propane industry to install and service propane vaporizers, temporary heating, and propane metering, dispensing, and pumping equipment. Here's an example on the left, starting with commercial. Then in the middle, that is a process burner. And then back up to the top, that's a rooftop unit, that's commercial. Gasfitters have work environments that are varied and may involve working in extreme or adverse conditions, may work indoors, outdoors, in confined spaces, at heights, and around heavy equipment and piping systems, may respond to emergencies at any time, including emergency hazardous situations. Here's an example of a big gas main with gas fitters being shut down to a residential with a single wrench being shut down. Gas fitters have work conditions that may be stressful, requiring manual dexterity and upper and lower limb coordination to operate power tools in cramped conditions and to climb ladders. Are also required to crouch, bend, kneel, crawl, and twist when moving around equipment and piping systems, often act as mentors and coaches to apprentices in the trade, may be advanced to career opportunities that include supervisory positions, starting their own contracting business, or becoming trainers. Here's examples here of people teaching each other, working together, and learning together. That's the way the trade goes. Gasfitters often have in-house training or attend seminars to update their required site-specific and safety certifications such as WHMIS, fall arrest training, first aid, and many others. Must become proficient with new equipment, technology, regulations, codes, and procedures by attending training sessions, seminars, reading manuals, and through on-the-job experience. Evaluate efficiencies of gas-fired systems, plan and coordinate their daily tasks, and work alone or with a team depending on the task requirements. Coordinate with other trades and contractors. Here's an example here of learning new piping, and cooperating with other trades. Gas fitters, note to self, the most important essential skills for gas fitters are document use, oral communications, and decision making. Here's an example of all three. Gas fitters document use involves manufacturer's specification sheets, equipment manuals, and code books to locate technical information and operation settings in order to complete maintenance and repair procedures. They refer to drawings, pictures, and diagrams in equipment manuals in order to troubleshoot equipment problems and complete repairs and replacement procedures. Here's a manual that's part of the learning, but very important for needing information. Gas fitters' oral communication are with customers, managers, supervisors, co-workers, and other trades to discuss equipment problems and outline job requirements, legal implications, and negotiate repair processes. They also follow up with customer after jobs are completed to explain equipment operation and answer questions. They may also communicate with a range of officials such as inspectors and engineers. And here's an example here of a pressure being explained, and sometimes it's very important to get all the facts right. Gas fitters' thinking skills are used to problem solve when facing unexpected installation, service, and removal problems. They may decide to not enter homes or buildings where personal health and safety may be at risk based on inspections. Their knowledge of instrumentation, controls, and equipment performance, they determine how to troubleshoot, maintain, and replace equipment and components. They may also decide how and where to install system components to meet manufacturer's specifications and code requirements. Here's an example of having to use your thinking skills. How am I going to be able to make that happen in that spot? That happens a lot. Hope you have a better idea of the gas fitter world now. Any questions can be directed to me, Guy LaRochelle, Pre-Apprenticeship Facilitator at gjlarochelle@skilltradestutorsonline.ca. Thank you very much for your time. This is an educational presentation.